have some new updates that I want to show you in my truck. My headliner is finally fixed, as I said. I got a new dome light thing. It's called a map light. Yep. Also, there are new light updates. I mean, I've got new LED lights. Yes. And something very strange. Instead of the traditional green arrows, it's blue now. I got new blue lights. I got a new Boss Bluetooth LED radio. It lets you listen to Yep. It lets you change to any station. Instead of the tape player, it now has a CD player. Still good in my truck.